Whatever you do, do not ask this person to verify the mathematical facts of this video. The most important aspect to prove or disprove evolution and creation is time. If you look at time statistically, the way the evolutionists look at it, creation just doesn't fit on the graph. So let's have a look at the mathematical facts of time on whether evolution or creation is a fact. The true definition of evolution is from a blob to the zoo to you. Now you have to be stupid to believe that. This picture in itself proves that evolution is a theory and not a fact. If you look at evolution, they're always talking about it must have, it could have, it should have. They never say that it did. When you look at these periods here, we're looking at millions of years. But yet here, we're only looking at 20,000 years. And yeah, poof, gone, eh? The Neanderthal man is not around anymore. And then there's the missing link. There's nothing to show that mankind has come from Neanderthal man or any with apes. In fact, the ape has not changed. One of the theories of evolution is that a species would have to change to survive because the previous species could not survive. But yet, you still got the ape. So this is enough to convince, or should convince, anyone that evolution is just a theory and is not a fact. But let's look at the numbers, because the numbers don't lie. To calculate the population growth, we're looking at one couple at an annual growth of 2% over a period of 1,138 years. We'll get to 7.5 billion people, which is the current population of the Earth in 2017. If you look at the time from Noah, we're looking at four couples at 2% annual growth. Will give you 4,008 years and a 36-digit number. This calculation takes into consideration that none of these couples or anyone else has died to give you these numbers. When taking death into consideration, we're looking at one couple at an annual growth rate of 1% instead of 2% over a period of 1,138 years. Will only give you 87,430 people. If the annual growth of four couples is at 0.53% over 4,008 years, you would get 7.5 billion people, which is a very realistic figure when you look at today's population due to natural and unnatural deaths. Let's have a look at the numbers in terms of the evolution theory. And we're only going to look at 10,000 years. So taking one couple at an annual growth rate of 0.23%, you'll end up with 99 digits. If you're only looking at 0.12% annual growth over 10,000 years, you'll end up with 50 digits. Now this is only 10,000 years. If you want to go and have a look over 80,000 years, then you'll end up with a crazy figure. So if the evolution theory was a fact, it will be impossible to have so many people living on the earth. And don't forget, do not verify any numbers with this man.